How to set up Cloudflare DNS. So what you're gonna have to do is simply select the start menu and then select settings. On network and internet, choose the adapter you want to configure, like your Ethernet adapter or Wi-Fi card. Then scroll to DNS server assignment and select edit. Select the automatic drop-down menu and then choose manual. Select the IPv4 toggle to turn it on. Depending on what you want to configure, you're gonna have to choose one of the following settings. So as you can see, if you're using this one here, you're gonna have to choose this one, and then you have this one and this one right here. Then select the IPv6 toggle, and depending on what do you want to configure, you're gonna have to simply enter these following addresses and then simply click on save, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.